Welcome back for the final part of this beautiful crochet along. We are going to be using color purple is the suggested. We want to start on with the right side facing on the short side. So just where we left off last round. Now you will likely have more rounds than I do or more rows than I do. And stitch counts on this round will vary depending on how many rows you made last week. So we want to start in the top of this double crochet two together, sometimes called the eye, and we're going to start with a double crochet, chain two, double crochet in the top of that double crochet two together. We want to place a marker in this chain two, we'll double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and then in this chain 2 space we'll place a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And then 3 double crochet, so double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then we'll skip these 2 stitches and repeat that. 3 double crochet, the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in that chain space, double crochet in the next 3, and skip 2. So we're just working up and down the ripple peaks that we made last week, skip 2, and so on. So you'll work that down the short side and I'll meet you at the next corner. So when you've worked down this short side, you will have your 12th repeat. You will skip 2, then we'll work one more set of those 3 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, ending with those 3 double crochet, and then we should have reached the last stitch, that double crochet 2 together at the end of this side. And we'll place double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the top of that stitch. And then we'll be ready to work down the long side. You may wish to put a stitch marker in this chain 2. So as we work down the side, for however many rows you did last week of that ripple section, we're going to be working around the post. So we want to first work around the post of this double crochet 2 together that we made, that we just made our corner stitch in, and then we'll double crochet around the post of each of the next, or 2 double crochet around the post. So we'll just work around the post of these next stitches on this side, so 2 double crochet around each post. So I know that I have 2 rows of this pink color, so I'm going to be making 4 double crochet, so 2 on each row of that color. And same thing for my blue color. I'll want to place 2 double crochet around the post on the ends of these rows for however many rows that you made last week. So if you did 18 rows of the ripple, you will have a total of 35 double crochet. So we want to make another double crochet where the leg of this double crochet 2 together is in. So that is in round 56 corners. We're going to place another double crochet in that same stitch where we already worked part of that double crochet 2 together. We'll double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Six and 7 double crochet. Which should bring us to that half double crochet 2 together. We're going to skip that stitch and we'll back post half double crochet around the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, back post half double crochet. Should have reached that chain space, so we'll place 3 single crochet in that chain space. Back post half around the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Skip the half double crochet 2 together and repeat that back post half around the next 3. Three single crochet in the chain space. Back post half around the next 3. And skip the half double crochet 2 together. So we'll continue to work that down the long side, and I will meet you before the corner to show you how we work the rest of the long side. So when you've worked your way down the long side, you will have made 22 of these repeats with those 3 back post half, 3 single crochet in the chain, and 3 more back post half double crochets. Then we will place a double crochet. We'll skip that next half double crochet 2 together and then double crochet in the next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and that 8th one should be in the same stitch where we started that double crochet 2 together from last week. And then we will work those 2 double crochet around all the posts. So for however many rows you worked there, you will do 2 double crochet around the post of each row. Until you get up to your last stitch. Now I'm showing you on my last side here. You will place 1 more double crochet, just 1 around the last post, and then you'll be ready to start your double crochet, chain 2 double crochet corner to work down the short side again. When you've worked all the way around, you will then join to your starting stitch, but do not fasten off. For our final round, which is the border round 2, we will slip stitch into that corner space where we had our stitch marker placed. We want to make 3 double crochet in the corner, so I'm going to use my starting double crochet, or you can do a chain 3 to count as the first double crochet, and 2 more for a total of 3 double crochet in that starting corner. We'll skip 1 stitch double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochet after we skip the first one past the corner. In that chain 2 space, we'll double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And then starting our repeat, we will double crochet in 3, skip 2, double crochet in 3, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in that space. Okay, so you'll do that 22 times down the side. That's starting with a double crochet in 3, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in 3, and then make the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So you can work that 22 times, and I'll meet you at the next corner. When you've worked that repeat the 12 times down the side, we will double crochet in those last 4 stitches, or in the next 4 stitches. So after our last double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, we double crochet in the next 4 stitches, skip the last stitch, and then in this marked corner space, we will place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then just working down this long side, you're going to place a double crochet in each of the stitches down the side. So double crochet in all stitches down the long side. And then you'll repeat that around for the next short side and the next long side, and joining to our starting stitch to fasten off and end this beautiful project. Hope you enjoy. May you enjoy wearing it, or whoever you gift it to enjoys wearing it. And we thank our designer for this journey together.